multi-level economics past question number 17. The optimal range of output for a perfectly competitive firm. Perfectly competitive firm is where option A says AC is lowest, option B says AVC is lowest, option C says MC is rising, option D says MC is falling. Mind you that AC means average cost, average cost, and AVC means average variable cost, and MC means marginal cost. So if you look at a perfect market, also known as a perfectly competitive market or perfect competition or perfect competition, defined as one which the buyers or sellers cannot influence the price of goods and services. So from that point, option B, the answer which says AVC is lowest, and that is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.